Welcome back, guys. There are other features of LinkedIn you need to know. All you have to do is come to this for business, and you see talents. This is this talent session. You see sales, you see learning. So this talent session, we have post a job. You as a recruiter, this is what you want to use. So you can post a job for free, as you can see, and you can hire on LinkedIn. These are things you need to post a job. These are things you need to use. These are the features you need to use as a recruiter on LinkedIn. So let's open these three. This post a job, this post a job for free, this hire on LinkedIn. It depends on what you want to do. So it brings you to the talent solution. They perform the same function, those three that I just mentioned. So this is what I want to do right now. I'm going to come to my LinkedIn talent solutions. It's still the same thing it directed us to. So let me just close all that and come here. Now you have your LinkedIn talent solution right now. You can post a job if you want to post a job. Target your job to the right people, build awareness, and this is for recruiters basically. So I'm going to just come to post a job, and coming to post a job right now. You can post all sorts of job. It depends on who want to hire people for, and this way you as a recruiter, you can easily create a job. You can easily create a job posting on LinkedIn and hire people on LinkedIn. If you have a company and you want to hire someone on LinkedIn, this is how you do it, and this way you're going to be able to use the talent solution. That's all about LinkedIn talent solution. If you have to use it, you have to explore how to use it. It's not something difficult, so you're going to check it out and see how to use it. This is how to post a job. So you can choose your job title. Let's say you want to hire a mobile app developer, you can say mobile app developer, depending on your page, one of the companies you manage, for instance. So I can just type the companies right now. I can say Billard Tech Academy, for instance. Let's say Billard Tech Academy, for instance, and you're going to see, is it on site, is it remote? So it has to be remote, and you can say it's hybrid. You can choose hybrid as a workplace type. You can choose on-site, that's if it's a physical location. You can choose remote if it's off-site. So let's say remote, and let's say employee location, country, state, and you can say it has to be a Nigerian. Maybe you have to be in Nigeria to apply for this, and you just choose Nigeria. And job type, you can say it's full-time, you can say it's part-time, you can say it's contract, you can say it's internship, you can say it's volunteer. You can choose volunteer, and you'd see these members with titles similar. Then you write with AI or you write your own. That's one of the advantages of LinkedIn Premium, and we are going to write with AI because we have LinkedIn Premium. We're going to use AI to write the jobs description and everything. As you can see, you see company description, role description. This is a volunteer remote role for a mobile app developer. As a mobile app developer, you'll be responsible for developing, testing, and maintaining mobile applications. Your day-to-day tasks will involve collaborating with cross-functional teams to gather requirements, design interface, and ensure mobile app functionality. And here is proficiency. This is proficiency in mobile app development frameworks such as React Native or Flutter, experience with programming languages like Java. So you can edit this if it's not suiting your taste. You as a recruiter, then you how did you hear about LinkedIn jobs? You can choose whatever, you can say order. Then you can add skill. You can add skill if you feel like the ones here are not tailored the way you want it to be tailored. You can remove and add more. Then I'm going to preview. You can preview what it looks like. So this is what the job posting would look like. It's a mobile app developer, volunteer. Then you see something like this, and you see the company description. Then you can post this job. You can next to post the job and continue without editing. Make sure to review your job description for accuracy. Then you're going to continue and see what it looks like. So this is your job posting, and by applicants collection, this is the two out of processes you are going to. So you can use email, you can use an external website. So you receive applicant through email, and screening questions, how many years of work experience do you have with, okay? So you can say Java, I do answer one. So you can just give all these requirements, and you say Swift programming skill, how many years of work experience do you have with this skill? You can say one. It could be more than one. You Kotlin 1. So those are the three programming languages: Java, Swift, and Kotlin. Then you add screening questions, expertise with skill, background check, ask screening questions. So you can use background check, you can use remote, you can use custom questions, depending on what you want to. And see this, it says thank you for your interest. So you can just continue. Everything is remote, and everything is automated already. So you can confirm you work with Billard Tech Academy. We need you to send the verification code to your email address, and and enter your company email address to continue. So here it is, you can add your company's email address right now and send a code to your company's email address. Posting a job, you need to have a domain for your company, then you can post a job, and that way you'll be able to post a job as a recruiter. And I hope to see you in the next lesson. You as a recruiter, you can start hiring people. Hope to see you in the next lesson. See you there.